38,000 feet above the Atlantic Ocean. Everything feels perfectly normal. Inside the cabin, everyone enjoys a peaceful journey. The pilots calmly monitor every system.
Commanding search MC Temperate to Denver 7x6 696 base X landing chow.
Outside, two powerful engines quietly do their job.
Every second, thousands of kilograms of air flow through each engine.
Then, something unexpected happens.
A warning light suddenly flashes. The left engine suddenly loses power. Seconds later, the second engine fails. The cabin suddenly becomes unusually quiet. Everyone expects the airplane to fall. But airplanes don't simply fall. But why isn't the airplane falling? Because wings, not engines, create lift. Engines create thrust. Wings keep the airplane flying. At this altitude, it becomes a giant glider. One kilometer of altitude can carry it nearly 17 kilometers forward. That's why the pilots stay calm. They still have time. The captain immediately takes manual control. Every second now becomes critical. The emergency checklist opens instantly. Dual engine failure. Mayday, mayday. Airspeed 240 knots. Engine start switches, flight. Confirming ADU restart. Then something amazing happens automatically. This tiny turbine powers the aircraft's essential systems. Now comes the most important call.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is Flight 728. Dual engine failure, maintaining best glide. Request immediate vectors to the nearest suitable airport.
Air traffic control immediately begins searching for the nearest safe runway.
Flight 728, stand by. We're identifying the nearest suitable airport.
The captain makes one final decision. Restart both engines. Fuel. Ignition. Airflow. Everything must work perfectly. Everyone waits, hoping to hear the engines come back to life.
65 of right thread.
But the engines remain silent.
The captain makes one final attempt to restart both engines. The turbines begin to spin. Everyone waits. But the flames never appear.
The engines have failed completely.
The captain quietly makes the hardest decision of the flight.
Prepare the cabin for ditching.
Within seconds, the cabin begins preparing for an emergency water landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare for an emergency water landing. Follow all crew instructions and remain calm.
Every passenger now understands this is real.
Brace position, heads down. Stay down until instructed.
Every passenger now understands this is real. Outside, the ocean gets closer every second.
The captain carefully lines up with the ocean swells.
50, 40, 40.
Only seconds remain before impact. Then the airplane gently touches the water. The airplane is still floating, but every second matters.
The evacuation begins immediately. Leave everything behind. Move to the life rafts. Leave everything behind. Move to the life rafts. Everyone works together. Remain calm and follow instructions. Step carefully into the raft, and nobody panics. We are here to help you.
Then, hope appears on the horizon. Rescue teams arrive just in time. Because of engineering, training, and teamwork, every life is saved. You may think this story is fictional, but similar events have happened in real life. In 2001, Air Transat Flight 236 lost both engines over the Atlantic Ocean because of a fuel leak. Without engine power, the crew glided nearly 120 kilometers before landing safely. In 2009, another crew safely landed on New York's Hudson River, saving every person on board. In 1982, British Airways Flight 9 lost all 4 engines after flying through volcanic ash, but the crew successfully restarted them before landing safely.
Modern aircraft are designed with multiple layers of safety. Even when the unexpected happens, engineering, training, and teamwork give.
Every flight is powered by science, protected by engineering, and guided by extraordinary people. This is macro science. See you in the next journey.